First point which I want to make in this particular video is learn to build project. Meaning before you get started with getting freelancing client, you need to know how to build project. Yes, I know. You go to college or you learned a couple of tutorials online to learn some kind of programming. But actually, that's not sufficient in order to build any kind of amazing things. In order to build amazing things, you need to know how to build a project. So what is project? If you are building a website, that's a project. If you are just building one program in console which just prints out hello world, that's not project. That's why knowing how to build a website or a full-fledged programs like a calculator or something like that, a very useful skill to have before getting into freelancing, because without having these skills, you probably won't get any kind of freelancing job. So learn to build projects. So once you have built these amazing website or even projects like calculator and all, try to release them in platforms like Netlify or even Google Play Store if you built Android application. So what does releasing one application does is, whenever you are asking for somebody to give you freelancing job, that is to help them with your services, that time they won't trust you as it is, because if you tell that I know how to do, if you show them that you have built this kind of website and you have launched it, and or you can send them the link to download the app which you have built, that time they get little bit confidence to give you the work. When they give you the work, that time you will be able to earn the money, of course, out of it. That's why releasing all this application to some kind of platforms like Netlify, which is absolutely available for free, is going to help you get better opportunity in terms of freelancing. So learn how to release your project, whatever you have built, because place of those projects are not inside your computer. They are inside this particular amazing world wide web, that is internet. Third point is learn how to make your GitHub clean. If you don't have GitHub, if you don't know how to use Git, of course, go ahead and learn it first. Once you have learned it, then go ahead and make sure all the repositories are presentable to anybody who is viewing. Add readme files to it, and delete unnecessary repository or make them private so that other people cannot see. Unnecessary in the sense, whatever the hello world project you might have built, or whatever the project which you are currently building which is not even ready, all those projects should be cleaned and either delete it or archive it, or just make sure it is private so that other people cannot see. That's why knowing how to make GitHub account presentable so that somebody like client can see it and they can understand that yes, this person actually know how to code, is going to help you make sure you will be able to apply for these freelancing jobs, and little bit better chance is there if you show them Git repository in your resume or whatever the portfolio you are sending it to them. Then once you have created all these kind of GitHub account and made it presentable, then fourth point would be create a portfolio website, because having a portfolio website is not that much tough to do, because it will just include a couple of the links of your project and detail about you, and of course how to contact you using email or phone number. Making a portfolio website is going to make you help better reach whenever you are trying to apply for some kind of job. Portfolio website is going to have all this GitHub repository and the project which you have released online. All the links will be in one place, and there is of course option to contact you also. That's why anybody who sees your website, they'll be able to easily understand what kind of project you have built, what kind of skill you have by seeing GitHub account, and of course way to contact you so that you'll get paid and you'll get project. The last point would be just make sure you create your account in Upwork, Freelancer, and even Fiverr, or any other freelancing websites are available out there, because most people think that job will come and people will find you and you'll be able to get the job whenever you are like doing freelancing. But absolutely that's not the case. The thing with the getting a freelancing work is you need to apply for it in so many platforms, and after applying it so many times in so many platforms, you might get couple of software project to make sure you do it. And once you do this project, you will have some portfolio to showcase to other clients, and you will be able to get better job which pays you better. But most people do this mistake, that they just create the account and they just sit thinking people will come and give you the project. But absolutely that's not the case. You need to apply for it. In all this website, there will be always option to bid for one project. So read every day what and all projects are available, new projects are available, and with whatever the skill you have, make sure you apply to it. And it's not like if you apply 1 2 job you will be getting it. You need to apply 100 200 jobs. That time you might get 5 to 10 people responding back to you by seeing your portfolio website or even GitHub or released projects. And you will be able to make sure to get the project in your hand, and you complete it and earn money out of it. Freelancing, it's not that much easy if you don't know what you are doing. If you know what you are doing and if you followed all these points, then of course you will be able to apply for these freelancing jobs, and you will be able to get the project and become a successful freelancing web developer if you are into that particular thing. Just make sure you apply so many places so that you'll be able to increase your opportunity of getting hired by these freelancing sites. So that's it for this video, guys, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have some doubts, then don't forget to comment. I'll reply to it, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.